for you guys, huh? Isn't that nice? Cabbage in the water. That's what you need. Yeah, not bread. Not bread. Yeah, bread is bad for you guys. Look at all that nice cabbage. Yeah, somebody... Yeah, isn't that nice? I don't have anything else for you. Yeah, I see all the ducks. But look at this. Look at all this cabbage. Eat the cabbage. There you go. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Boom. We're right in the water. Well, what are you hollering about? Yeah. Well, y'all can go out there and eat that. I don't have anything else, but y'all got plenty of vegetation. That's very good. Okay, well, I'm headed to go get my COVID shot. I'm nervous, very nervous, but it is what it is, isn't it? I don't have anything for you. No, I don't. You've got all the cabbage right there. You want some of that? Aren't you a cute little girl? Uh-oh. So that scared me. It's all dried out, though. Aren't you a cute little girl? Needs to be in that water to stay moist. Mm-hmm. What kind of birdies are these? Aren't they cute? Look at those. They're so cute. I've never seen that kind of bird before. Oh, there's little babies too. There's some kind of duck, I guess. Aren't they cute? Oh, look at the babies. Hi, dear. I don't have anything for you. I don't have anything for you. No. Look. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. I'm not going to hurt them, Mama. I'm not going to hurt them. Look at that cuteness. Oh, my goodness. Hi, dear. I don't have anything for you. If I remember, I'll bring you back something. I don't know what. I wish I had some kind of spinach or something. Hi, Mama. I'm not going to hurt them. Hi, dear babies. Oh, so cute. Okay, COVID shots. First shot's done. I was nervous wreck. Okay, y'all want some corn? I bought them some frozen corn. Where's the babies? Oh, there's a seagull. Oh, I think that's a seagull. There's the greedy bunch. That's it. Oh. Corn is good for them. They can eat corn. They can eat corn. It's frozen, but it'll thaw out. Don't you like it? It's good for you. Oh, maybe y'all can eat it when it falls out. Well, I'm sorry. I could have bought a couple of cans. I should have bought cans and just poured it out with the pull lid on it. Well, try it later when it falls out. It won't take long to thaw out. Okay? He's looking at me. All right.